Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Ex-1.2. Before starting this exercise 1.2, I would like to give some review of this exercise. That's what is union, intersection, and the complement of set. In this video, first, if I just use set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and B is, for example, is even number 2, 4, 6, 8 till here. And definitely the universal set should suppose from 1 to 10. And remember all the elements of set A and B are the part of universal set as the father set. So this is very important because the A and B are having the limit from 1 to 10. The number of elements in universal sets are 10. This is very important, number of elements. And when I write number of elements in A, because there is a difference between only set A and the number of elements in A. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of elements in B are 4. And we have to learn this also in this exercise. What is A complement? A complement is universal minus A. And just what we need to do from the universal set 1 till 10, I have to minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining elements are 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is A complement. And when we want to find the B complement universal set minus B, and the B complements all the even numbers from 2 to 8 will out. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, but 10 is also there. So the number of elements in A complements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the number of elements in B complements are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and thus we have done. One more thing, what is union actually? So the union, what we do in union actually, when you want to find A union B, so A union B, you have to write all the elements of A and B together and do not repeat. Like when we have the common element, for example, in 2, 4, 2 and 2 are like A and B common. So we have two elements which are common, but we have to write them once. So 1, I will write all the elements from A and B. 1, so we have to yes 2 one time, then we write 3, then we write 4 one time, then 5, 6, and 8, and that's the A union B. When you want to find the intersection of these two set, A intersection is this sign. So this is union and this is intersection. So intersection means we write the common elements. And in union we write all elements, like everything we have to write. So in common elements, we have already like highlighted here, like 2 and 4 are the common elements. So we write 2 and 4, which are common in A and B, and that's we have done. Okay. Sometimes they will also ask find the number of elements in A union B. So number of elements A union B, like how many number of elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the number of elements in A intersection B are 2. Venn diagram is very important. Like I have to discussed because it's the part of sets. So with the questions, I will be discussing like how we can represent the set to in the Venn diagram. That's in a complete box and sometimes circle, sometimes square, sometimes rectangle. There is no problem. So let's start with question number 1 of 1.2. In this question, A and B are two sets and number of elements in each sets like are shown in the Venn diagram. This is Venn diagram here. And normally in Venn diagram, this is the universal set when I make a rectangle actually, but it's okay here. So first condition is the number of elements in A and number of elements in B are equal. So it means the number of elements when you see set A, the set A is this one. So what I will write the condition is the number of elements in set A in set B are equal. So I will write 3x plus 3 because this is showing a number of elements, not the like uh, Elements are not 3x and 3. The number of elements are 3. Xn plus 3 is equals to, this is B. So the number of elements in B, what we can say, 3 plus 2x plus 8. So when you simplify this, 3 and 3 cancel out, and 3x, when 2x is in left hand side, is only x. So x is equals to 8. So first of all, we got the value of x. So by value of x, when you see a number of elements in A, okay, first the requirement was to find the value of x, and we have got it. Now B part, we need to find the number of elements in A union B and number of elements. Okay, when you want to check A union B means we write everything. A union B means 3x plus 3 plus 2x plus 8. Like everything. So what is the value of x? And we are finding number of elements. 3. First of all, we can simplify 3x, and this x is what? 5x. And 8 and 3 is 11, and value of x is 8. So 40 plus 11 is coming 51. It means there are 51 elements in A union B. And when you want to find the intersection, so intersection means just one thing. Which part is the intersection? Intersection means this one, only common part, and union means everything. Everything is union actually. This is union. So this is very important. In union, we take all three elements, and in intersection, we take only the common elements. So right answer of this part, second part is, okay, first of all, sorry, is a B complement. So what we need here actually, when they ask to find number of elements of A intersection B, then it's okay. Then it's okay is coming 3. This part, there are a number of methods to simplify this part, but one thing I would like to explain with the Venn diagram. Let's see. Let me take one example here. This is I have done, and you can check the answer is coming 51. The answer is coming like here. You can see 8 and the 51. I'm moving to the next part is very important. Let's see. I would like to explain something about the Venn diagram. When we have two circles, okay, this is very important explanation. One circle is here. Second circle is here, and there is a rectangle. This rectangle is a universal set. This is universal set. This is set A and this is set B. I can do it like by calculations. There is no problem, but I would like to explain this how we can get this part directly. Okay, this is when you want to find, and I want to shade the area actually. Which area is A intersection B? The A intersection B area is this one. It's very simple because common part in A and B. One. Second, which area is for A union B? For A union B, I will take this part, and this part. Second, third thing, when I want to find A complement means I am talking about which part? I am talking about A complement means A is out. So when A is out, so we have only this part and this part. This is a very important thing. When you're talking about B complement, B complement means only without B, everything is your result. Not B, even this part. This and this is a result. Like this, when we have something here, we have to take out. We have to write that numbers. So what about this B complement? Like B complement means I'm talking about this area and this area. And A is which area is A? I would like to use for B complement. I use this yellow color, and for A, which is what area is A? A area is this one and this one. Just observe this thing. I will be giving this example again and again for the Venn diagram. Once again, I want to discuss with you when you have like A intersection And B complement is I use a yellow color. Okay, just observe this thing. A means I'm talking about the complete A, which is the green area, which is the green area. This is complete area for A. And when I'm talking about B complement means I'm talking about not B, this area, and the outside the area. So when you observe and what do you mean by intersection? Intersection means what is common between these two shaded. Like if you observe yellow and green, in which area you have both the colors? We have both the colors in this area. And this area is here, that is 3x. So it means to find the number of elements in A intersection B complement, you will only write 3x. And x is 8, so right answer is 24. This is very important part in Venn diagram. This, if you know the shading area, like it's very easy. And I want to explain once again that because we're finding A union B, so A union B means you're talking about all three areas. So that's why I have taken 3x, x, and 2x plus 8. This is very important part. For example, I want to find the number of elements. I do not know what question is next because normally I do not use this book for my O-level students. Uh, okay, I think so. I should move here. I should move here and explain once again this Venn diagram. Remember, we have also this, like this rectangle is also there, which we cannot see. I change the color. Okay, is this color? Okay, it means this is a universal set. Okay. Uh, A and B, two sets, number of elements in each sets are given, Venn diagram given that. Okay, first of all, what is A complement? Which area is A complement? Which area? And I will use once again to support this question. I will use a Venn diagram because doing a question is not a problem because you can also get the solution. Main thing is to understand the concept of the set. Okay, it can be a small. This is A and this is B. Which area is A complement? A complement area is this one and this one. All without A, like how many areas are there? First of all, how many areas are there? How many areas are there? First of all, like one, two, three, and four. A complement means one and two area is gone. Both are gone. Three and four is your result. A complement means three and four. You will be lying in three and four when A complement is there. Which area is for B? For B is the complete B is 2 and 3. Area 2 and 3 is for B. So let's see what is going on now. Number of elements in A complement intersection B complement is equal to A intersection B complement. Okay. Calculate the value of x. Okay. What I have to do, maybe it will clear because I want to explain you actually. A complement, which areas are there for A complement? A complement means 3 and 4. 3 and 3 plus 4 area. 3 area and 3 and plus 4. Okay. And B is 2 and 3. Okay. 2. I can write here 2, 3 and 4 and 2 and 3. Okay, good. And what we need the intersection. Number of A intersection A complement intersection B. So which area is common in both? When you see 3 and 4, 2 and 3. So it means 3 is common area. So right result for this is only 3. And what we have in 3? What we have in 3? In 3, according to our, this 3 area is only x plus 7. This is here. Okay, so what I will write here x plus 7 is equal to, because this is x plus 7, this complete area is x plus 7. Now I'm talking about this for right inside. What area is I use different color for this. What area is for A? The area for A is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And the B complement area is, which region is for B complement? Because B complement means this and this out. We need this one and this one outside. So 1 and 4. So now what we need to find intersection, like common. What is common in like A and B complement? Only one is common. So okay. So I will write here A intersection B complement has the common area 1. So 1 means I'm talking about this one means this area 2x minus 5. Okay, 2x minus 5. So this is the condition we have, right? Let's x plus 7 is equals to 2x minus 5. This x will move in right hand side, or you can move x minus 2x is equals to 5 minus 5 and minus 7. Minus x is equals to minus 12 and x is equals to 12. We got the value of x, which is 12. Like I have explained each and every step, you have to just make sure that you do not need to write everything. I just need to explain you. Let me check the answer. Is coming. Yes, answer is absolutely right. It's 12. So x is 12. Now I am moving to B part. This was the A part complete explanation. The B part is we are talking about number of elements in A. So number of elements in A means what area is for A? The area for the A is 1 and 2. So 2x plus like 2x minus 5. Number of elements in A, area 1 and 2. So 2x minus 5 and plus 2. So when we simplify 2x is 12 and minus 5 is minus 3 is here. 12 is 24 minus 21 and number of elements in A are 21. And number of elements in B, which area is for B? You can see here, this two areas, 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is for B. So I will write number of elements in B are 2 plus x plus 7. And x is 12. So 2 plus 9 plus 12 is 21. We have same answer. Like, let's see. Yes, 21 and 21, and we have done it. This is very important. Like Venn diagram, when you understand like what area is for A complement, B complement, A intersection, B complement. I think so. The question number 9 will be very easy to shade the given diagram. Question number 3. Uh, X is a positive integer. So it means the limit is not given. Limit is not given, so it means we have infinite set. Okay, moving to A part. A is when we write the listing X like 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. And we do not need to write this again and again. This is given. And X is a positive means X is here like B is X is less than 12, not equal to 12. So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 11 I have to write because less than 12. And this is starting from 5 and onward, and we do not have the limit. Find uh, number of elements in A. Okay, first we need to find A intersection B. What is common in both A intersection B? The common is because the limit for B is till 11, so common 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So that's A, and number of elements will be what? Number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's 7 we have done. Same thing if you want to find the A complement means from 2 to onward, all the elements are out, and only what is left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what are the number of elements for A complement? Is only 4. So we have done, let me check the answer of this part, is coming 7 and 4. 7 and 4? Yes, 7 and 4 we have done it. Question number 4, we have the elements of the universal sets are even number. And all the even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. And the elements of set A, like we have the part, like A is a part of a universal set. So A is coming, sorry, A is coming like 3x greater than 25. I have to simplify 25 upon 3. And this should be 3 times 8 point, I think so, 3 something. And this is also equal to, yes, this is equal to. To write the number of like what are the elements of A, please remember I have to draw just a number line, because sometimes when the student think this pen this is equal to, I have to start from 8. No, be careful. Be careful. 8.3 position is definitely here after 8. And what number comes after 8 as an even number? So I will move right side. Right side means the next first number is 10, not 8. So 10, 12, 14, and so on. All the elements are the set. All the elements are set of 8. I'm moving to B part. B is about 5x less than 12. X is 12 upon 5 and x is less than 5 times 2.4. If you draw a number line to check which elements are there, so I will write 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here. So now, if I move from 2.4, what number is, where is the position of 2.4? 2.4 definitely should be here. And if I'm moving less than means I will move left hand side. So which number comes like right after here is 2 and there is no 0. So we as given already is given the universal set is an even integers, and even integers means like all the numbers like backward. So I have to write, and remember integers means like not in decimal, it can be positive, it can be negative, so it can be 0, it can be -1, -2. So it means we have something like this, like -2, 0, and 2 till here. Now, what is the requirement? A intersection B. A intersection B. What is common in A intersection B? Just check it out. Nothing is common. So, number of elements in A intersection B are 0. And second part is given, find A complement. So, what is A complement? A complement is like except this 10, 12, except this all are possible. So it means we are moving 10 backward. 10 backward means uh, we can write 10, not 10, 8, 6, 4, and so on. So these are the elements. Now, here, if you want to find B complement, what is B complement? B complement should be definitely not this. So it means not 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Now we need to find the number of elements in set A complement and B complement. What is common in these two? The common elements are, yes, 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there. If I'm not wrong, A complement is definitely yes all, and B complement will be definitely. So I think so. There are three elements. Let me check the answer of this part. Yes, it's right. It's right. 0 and 3. Sometimes not sure this answer is right or wrong. So next part, okay. This is once again the shading. I told you this in the shading part, this which area is for which particular region. So be careful. Let's see. ABC universal set means the universal set is this one, A union B union C means this is universal set. Okay, it's a very good example. Let's see. Given that A intersection B, okay, A intersection B, which area is for A intersection B? A intersection B is X. So I'm writing here. A intersection B area is only X. And then we have, I have to use different color for this. B intersection C. B intersection C is this area. Okay. So I will write B intersection C is equals to 4. So find the value of x. So x is coming 4. That's very simple. We can check the answer is coming 4. Good. Second part, we have done first part. Second part is once again, which area is for C complement first of all? Okay, let me write this. Which area is for C complement first? Okay, which area is for B first? The B is this one, and this one. We have to decide first of all. And I want to use different color for C complement. Which area is for C complement? C complement means without C, everything is a result. So without C, everything is a result means this C is not like except this, everything is a result. So what I will write? This is your result, this is your result, this is your result. This is C complement. Please C comp and this is also when it's given. So now and so it means and the intersection means what is when you have this one in which area you have both the colors. Both the colors are in this area. Sorry, I want to use this area and this area. So it means I have to remove everything because the first part, part B, the number of elements in B intersection C complements are x plus 6. This is the first step. Moving to next part, right hand side, and I want to use like decide the color A complement. First of all, I will write C. Where is C? C is this and this. So C areas are 4 and Y. Now I am using different color for A complement. A complement means except A, everything is your result. So except A means 6 is your result, 4 is your result, and Y is your result. So I will write now. What we need to find? We need to find the common. So what is the common area in both? The common area in both are 4 and Y. So I will write the number of elements in A complement intersection C are 4 plus Y. And according to given condition, both are equal. So, okay, let's see. So, both are equal means x plus 6 is equals to 4 plus y. And we already got the value of x put here. 4 plus 6 is equals to 4 plus y. And y is coming 6. And we have done it. Let's check the answer of y is coming absolutely 6. Second, like part C, they need to find the number of universal set. As it's already like if I use the like color method to find universal set, A union B union C means A union B union C. Everything is universal for it like universal set. So universal set I have to write 8 plus x plus 6 plus 4 plus y, and we know the value of x. 8 plus x is 4. This is coming 10 and y is 6. So this is 10, 10 and this is 28, and we have done the number of elements in set E. Universal set is okay. This is coming 28. We have done a mistake. 28. Yes, is right. So by this way, we have done question number 1 till question number 8. This is very important video because of the Venn diagram to understand the shading part. And when I will continue with the next question, I advise you to watch this video first because shading is very important. And with the shading region, or like which area is our part, so that's very easy. We do not need to assign any number, any value. That's very simple to work with the color, and I think so it's very easy. And once again, I would like to thank like everyone who likes my video and also comment. So I will say thank you so much and have a nice day.